Welcome to our video. Today we teach how to maximize yield and grow on foods. Even with minimal space, today we are going to show you how to plant seed potatoes in containers for maximum yield. Before we get started, let's talk about what seed potatoes are. Seed potatoes are small, whole potatoes or pieces of larger potatoes that are used to grow new potato plants. They are called seed potatoes because they are the starting point for growing your potato crop. Now, let's talk about how to plant seed potatoes in containers. First, choose a container that is at least 12 inches deep and wide enough to accommodate your potato plants. Fill the container with potting soil, leaving few inches of space at the top. Next, plant your seed potatoes about 6 inches apart and 4 inches deep in the soil, with the eyes facing up. Cover them with soil and water them thoroughly. As your potato plants grow, make sure to water them regularly and fertilize them every few weeks. When the plants begin to flower, you will know it's time to harvest your potatoes. To harvest your potatoes, simply dig through the soil with your hands or a garden fork and gently remove the potatoes. Make sure to leave some potatoes in the container to continue growing for your next crop. And there you have it. By planting seed potatoes in containers, you can get maximum yield with minimal space. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks.